Uber Eats delivery, how to create account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create an Uber Eats delivery account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically create an Uber Eats delivery account, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all download this application from the Play Store known as Uber Driver app and make sure that you're signed into the account. Once you download the application, open it up and just log into your normal Uber account that you use to make ride and order foods, because all the Uber accounts are same. When you're here, it'll ask you welcome, and it's ask you for your profile photo, your driving license, your vehicle insurance, your registration certificate. So you need to make sure to have these to sign up for Uber Eats delivery, right? Because if you don't have these, of course you are not, let's say, eligible to become a legal driver, and in that case you can't apply. So you need to make sure you have your driving license, make sure to take a picture of it and then upload the document over there, and then Uber will verify it and then give you the response. So this way you should be able to create account on Uber Eats delivery. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.